Early bird gets the worm, mate.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey Dougie, the weirdest thing just happened.
Oh, sorry, bro, I can't talk for too long. I've got to help Amy set up for our party tonight.
Oh, that's all good, man.
Oh, by the way, are you coming?
Look, I don't know. It's not really my kind of scene.
No, nonsense, bro. You should come on by. It'd be good. A few drinks, a few laughs.
Yeah, alright, mate. I'll swing by at 7.
Sweet as, bro. I'm gonna get back to setting up. We're going to make some very good for later on, eh?
Righto, I'll see you tonight.
Yeah, later, bro.
Does she?
It's a real tough situation. More than anything,
You love her?
I really do.
Oh, hi, Richard, right?
Tell me that.
Doug's told me all about you.
Oh, what's up, Richie, bro?
Oh, bro, I'm so glad you came tonight. You're the life of the party, eh?
Oh, mate, just wait till I get a couple more beers in me.
Nah, bro, I reckon someone's got the hots for you.
Yeah, mate.
Nah, don't count on it, eh?
She's been looking at you all night, bro. I swear.
I wanna know what love is. I want you.
She's beautiful.
Bro, go talk to her.
I don't know, man. I don't know. How am I supposed to talk to her?
That's even all the more reason to do so. You just go talk to her, man.
Early bird gets the worm, mate.
Personal best, personal best, personal best, personal best, personal best, personal best.
Mate! You know what they say about the early bird?
They get the worm, mate. They get the worm.
Oh, alright, Mom, I'm getting the mail.
Early bird gets the worm.
Motherf...
Come on, mate. You're just going to sit there watching her. Sorry, mate. Early bird gets the worm.
What I want, you've got that might be hard to handle. Like a flame that burns a candle. The candle feeds the flame. Yeah, what I got, full stop.
Just gonna go get the mail real quick.
When you pull them all together, and I can't explain. Oh yeah, well, you.
Hey, here's your order.
Screw the order. Can I have your number?
Early worm gets your bird, Dickie.
Ready for you? Ready? Looking away. I don't know what else to say, I'll say it anyway. It's a good day to find you shining away. I'll be going for your love again. Take on me. Take on me. Take me on. Take on me. I'll be gone in a day or two. Ready? Needless to say, I'm I'm stumbling away. Slowly learning that life is okay. Say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry to say.